Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk, the podcast where we delve into the world of technology, coding, and innovation. Today, we're exploring the fascinating and ever-evolving landscape of AI in software development, specifically how tools like GitHub Copilot are transforming the way developers work. All right, let's start with a quote I came across. Write better code with AI. Sounds catchy, right? But what does it really mean? Well, imagine having a virtual assistant who not only suggests code as you type, but also learns your coding style and preferences over time. That's essentially what GitHub Copilot does. Now think about this. Have you ever hit a wall when coding? You know, those moments when you just can't find the right function or the right syntax? It can be frustrating. But with tools like Copilot, those moments might just become a thing of the past. It analyzes the context of your code and suggests whole lines or even blocks of code that fit. It's like having a senior developer right there with you, whispering solutions as you face challenges. So let's unpack some of the features that get developers buzzing about Copilot. First off, there's the security aspect, finding and fixing vulnerabilities. This is huge, right? Security should always be a top priority, but it can be overlooked in the rush to deliver software. With tools like this, developers can be alerted to potential risks, ensuring that they write secure code from the get-go. And then there's code review. You know, getting feedback on your code can often feel like pulling teeth. It's not the most exciting part of the programming process, but with AI-powered tools, the review process can become more streamlined. Imagine an application that spots potential errors or areas of improvement before your code is even pushed to production. Talk about saving time and reducing stress. But let's not forget about collaboration. GitHub has put a big emphasis on discussions and teamwork outside of just writing code. Think about it. When you're in a team setting, communication is key to success. With platforms that encourage open discussions and collaboration, developers can share insights and troubleshoot together live, regardless of their location. Here's a thought-provoking question for you. How do you think the rise of AI in coding will affect job security for developers? That's something worth considering. While some worry that AI might take jobs away, many experts believe that it will instead augment the skills of developers, allowing them to focus on more complex, creative tasks. And of course, I can't overlook the idea that AI could change how we learn coding in the first place. Learning pathways, webinars, and engaging educational resources exist now more than ever, thanks to advancements in technology. They make it easier and more accessible than ever for aspiring coders to dive in and build their skills. All right, folks, let's take a moment to summarize what we've discussed here. GitHub Copilot and similar AI tools are changing the game for developers by improving coding efficiency, enhancing security, and fostering better collaboration. They're not here to replace our cherished software developers, but to empower them, giving them more time to focus on the creative and innovative aspects of coding. As we wrap up today's episode, I encourage you to think about how you interact with technology in your coding journey. Have you used any AI tools? What has been your experience? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts or get involved in discussions on your favorite platforms. Thanks for tuning into Tech Talk. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you next time for more insights from the tech world. Happy coding!